Don't know how to get your first customers? In this video, I'll talk about just that. Here are 5 ways to get your first sales. Hey there, it's Wes from Printful. You're probably getting ready to launch your store, or you just did launch it, and now you're ready to start taking on orders. This is going to be an exciting time for you, as you're never going to forget the rush when you get your first buying customer. So today, I wanted to give you 5 ways that you can get your first sales. So let's get started. Your friends and family and personal network. If you don't already have a following or an audience, this is where your first sale is going to come from. And that's great. Your friends and family want to support you and will also be excited for you. Once your store is live, send a quick text or an email to let them know the exciting news. You can also post an announcement on your social media profiles to let your online friends know also. Having your first customers be those close to you is a great way to test out the checkout process and to get honest feedback about the user experience. Real quick, before we continue to the second step, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that way you always get notified when we publish more content just like this. The second way to get your first sales, online communities. If you're an active member of a blog, forum, or a subreddit for your niche audience, this is a prime place to let your community know about your new store. They already share a common interest with you and might want to learn about your products too. But make sure that you're always adding value to the conversation and not just creating a sales pitch. Nobody likes the person who just shows up at the party and starts handing out their business card. Posting links to your store in forums that you're not active in can actually get your comments removed by moderators. A good rule of thumb is to connect with the group first and then promote second. If you're looking for feedback on your store or your product, there are forums and subreddits just for that. Just make sure that wherever you choose to get involved online, that it's relevant. Number 3, no-pitch publications. We've all read these and have also shared them online. A no-pitch publication is a site like BuzzFeed or BoardPanda. You can make a fun and creative list that feature your products. Let's say Father's Day is coming up. You can make a list of 10 great gifts for Dad this Father's Day. Then you would include some of your products from your store and also products from other stores that aren't competitors but share your niche audience. Then, when you publish it online, be sure to tag the stores that you featured on social media. This will ideally lead to them sharing the post online to their audience, bringing a new set of eyes to your store and products. Number 4, work with a blogger or influencer. Working with a blogger or an influencer will not only get your product and store in front of your niche audience, but it can also help you get a larger audience. The key here again is to make sure that you work with someone who has the same niche audience as you. If your brand is all about camping and the outdoors, you might not want to partner with an influencer or a blogger that is all about cupcakes, unless it's about cupcakes that you can make while camping. It can be easy to find a blogger or an influencer to work with. Try searching relevant hashtags for your niche to find some of the key players in that audience. Pay attention to make sure that the audiences align. If your audience isn't the right one for your store, that isn't going to help you build a customer base in the long run. Here are some quick tips for working with a blogger or an influencer. Ask if you can send them a free sample. Set them up to be an affiliate so they can get a commission on any sales that they help bring in. And partner with them on giveaway. When reaching out to an influencer or blogger, make sure that you're familiar with their work, brand, and audience. This will help you engage with them, and it also gives you points to connect on. Number 5, offer a discount. Offer a discount to celebrate the launch of a store and help encourage your first-time buyers. You can offer 10% or 15% off, or the crowd favorite, free shipping. I recommend that you give out your promo code in exchange for your customer's email address, so that way you can build your email list early and maintain a direct channel of communication with your customers. The ROI on email marketing is the highest of all marketing channels. Did you know that for every $1 spent on email marketing, your return is $44? The sooner you get your email list started, the more it can grow, which is going to come in handy when it comes to having new products and promotions that you want to share. And that's it. There are your 5 tips to get your first sale. If you're still getting your store ready, be sure to check out our video, Top 10 E-commerce Store Mistakes That You're Making. This is a helpful video to avoid common mistakes that store owners make. If you've already made your first sale, tell us about it in the comments below. Hey there, it's Wes from Printful. I hope you liked that video. Leave us a comment below on what video you'd like for us to make. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so that way you always get a notification when we have a new video.